love Cajun food. Hi, my name is Stacy Lambert. I'm also known as Chef Lambo. I am the owner of In My Kitchen Catering Company. I got started cooking watching my aunt. She used to have a bunch of house parties and dinner gatherings at her home. I would help mainly with the prep work. Of course, she would season everything. That's when the catering side kind of came into play. Some of our signature dishes at In My Kitchen Catering, it's our seafood New Orleans style gumbo. I'm big on making seafood dishes. So this particular gumbo, it's a mix of amazing New Orleans style flavors. So for this roux, I'm only going to be at I like my roux super, super dark because the darker the roux, the more flavor it has in it. I smell all of these flavors already. I have not even added any spices to it. Now we're about to add the spices. I don't really measure anything. I've been taught just pour enough until your ancestors say that's enough. So that is what I'm gonna do. I just knew that I had to do this when I was working that 9-to-5 job that I was doing in Houston. I had switched locations with it and it just was not working out anymore. So I started off in Houston selling lunch plates and dinner plates. I would ride around to different barbershops and salon places, different auto body spots, just to, just make a few dollars on my off days. Eventually, word of mouth started spreading and people just started wanting me to cook for different events that they were having, such as baby showers or even corporate lunches. One of In My Kitchen Catering's biggest moments was back in 2018. I actually got a call to be a chef for a DJ Khaled and Demi Lovato tour, and that totally changed the game for me. You can find me on Instagram at In My Kitchen, and that's periods in between each word. Also, you can email me at inmykitchencatering@gmail.com, and you can find me on my website and book me through my website at inmykitchencatering.com.